These ears are way too big for me. Oh, and how about this hat? Opposite problem. I had to cut it because my freaking head wouldn't fit through it. Going in with my Sydney Morgan makeup towel. Buy one for Christmas, unless you're lame. Oh no, okay. This is so sad. This is actually so sad. Half done. Take a brief intermission to pull these eyelashes off. Get the other one because I don't want to mess them up. Let's get rid of this cute little button nose. Goodbye, beautiful curly hair. You will be missed. And my eyebrows because they have glue in them. Before and after. Can we get this off is the question. Half and half. I didn't even rinse it out once. Oh!
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? The Target logo got cut into my face, oh no. Psych, it's makeup. I don't know, it's too late. I wanna go eat and sleep. Let's take this off. You ever wonder what my makeup looks like from far away? Like, this is what my mom sees. This is how I walk around the house. I use scar wax and I absolutely hate it. Put liquid latex under it, so it's coming off relatively easy. Oh no, oh no. Look at this piece of hair. Okay, let's do this big circle. Oh, please come off in one piece, please, please, please. No, come on, come on. Isn't that terrifying? I'm just gonna go shower. Oh, clean.
Something we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls. Unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
And you listen. That's all I ever wanted. Just someone to listen. Someone to hear me. Judge Berman pays me back something that...
Bring heat. Put it down. Left, right, left. Right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up.
Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. It's fine, we got this. Just these little horns. There is latex in my eyebrow and I don't like that. Nightmare fuel. I am now clean and my eyebrows are still on.
I would even give her Miss Congeniality with the crown. I would have to pick Eureka. She's fucking fierce. Monique? I see everybody black in Aquarius.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Also, I'm sorry I haven't been doing that much special effects lately. It's because I'm still on vacation. It's been so long since I felt latex on my face. Let's take it off. I forgot how to do this. Okay, I think that was so easy. Look at how nasty this looks though. Now I just gotta wash the rest of this off. Your favorite nightmare fuel? And just like that, I am all clean.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it. Ah! Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Ah. Wait, watch this, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now.
Time to take this look off. I look sexy, I know. Contain yourself, okay? I already know it's gonna stain my face. You can see some purple here, so let's just go with it. First, I'm gonna take the candle wax off. Yes, it's candle wax. Child, anyway, so... Ugh. Whoop. Oh, this is a big one. Ugh. I want to like scratch it off or something. I'm gonna do it with this lash case, don't judge me. It's faster, okay? That was so satisfying to do. Ow. The moment of truth. Okay. Oh, Houston, we have several problems. Update, it's not really coming off, so yeah.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is?
It is time to take these off again.
Good job. You're doing great. I just know how much you love ripping off liquid latex from your skin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Can I pull the teeth out, though? I don't think so.
Can I?
Nice. Do you want to just, like, rip off the smile at the same time?
I need to.
Okay, ready to scream in 3, 2, 1. I can't. I just look stuck. You got it. Do you need help? No. Think of it like waxing. It's just skincare.
No, it's not.
3, 2, 1. Ah! You got it. Good job. High five. Nice. All right, we still have some pieces left. Ah! Fast, fast.
Ah.
Nice. And we just know how much you guys love nightmare fuel. And just like that, we are mostly clean. We still need to go shower. But have a good day. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Also, I'm sorry I haven't been doing that much special effects lately. It's because I'm still on vacation. It's been so long since I felt latex on my face. Let's take it off. I forgot how to do this. Okay, I think that was so easy. Look at how nasty this looks though. Now I just gotta wash the rest of this off. Your favorite nightmare fuel? And just like that, I am all clean. This is just a little bit painful. Oh boy. Let's see if we can get a satisfying stripe. Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm so amused by this. I took a shower and I am all clean now. And of course, you guys have an amazing day.